Cooking with Winter Produce. Linda is, in addition to being a fantastic instructor, is also a cookbook writer. And so Linda, you're next.
Thank you, Susan, and thank you for inviting me back to teach. I'm Linda Carucci, and I'm coming to you from my kitchen in the Oakland Hills, where I'll be teaching Cooking with Winter Produce on Wednesday mornings from 9:30 to 11, and I am really looking forward to it. To quote from one of my favorite cookbooks, "The winter flavor palette is subtle. Gone are the assertive green flavors of early season vegetables. What winter brings is a lot of earthiness, mellowness, and believe it or not, sweetness. Many winter hardy vegetables gain a boost of sweet once the weather dips below freezing. When a plant's starches turn to sugar during a frost, it's called cold sweetening. For roots like beets, carrots, and parsnips, and brassicas like broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts, the sugar acts like an antifreeze, protecting their cells from damaging ice crystals. For the rest of us, that first frost is a delicious call to the kitchen." And that's from one of my favorites. This is 6 Seasons. Let me see if I can get this in the camera there. 6 Seasons, A New Way with Vegetables by Joshua McFadden and Martha Holmberg. And you'll find it listed in the bibliography of my syllabus that's online. It's one of my favorite books that inspire me in the kitchen. And I hope you'll join me as I prepare my old and new favorite wintertime recipes, such as 3-bean minestrone with Savoy cabbage and sausage, hearts of escarole salad with pink grapefruit, avocado, and citrus vinaigrette, causa limeña, Peru's chilled potato puree layered with vegetables and crab or shrimp, the French bistro classic onion soup gratiné, braised broccoli rabe with white beans, caracara orange slices with cinnamon and honey, date and blue cheese toasts, Meyer lemon risotto with smoked salmon and dill, braised collard greens with turkey sausage and onions, leeks vinaigrette with Roquefort, tried and true Meyer lemon curd. I've tried it many, many times, believe me, with a bonus recipe for what to do with all those leftover egg whites. Gyoza beets with whole grain mustard and walnut oil, lemon rice pudding with caramelized sugar crust, celeriac or celery root remoulade, orange olive oil cake encrusted with sliced almonds. And as we begin to see springtime veggies emerge in the Bay Area, perhaps we'll be able to include vegan asparagus soup with crispy lemon crumbs and pastina primavera with asparagus, pancetta, and peas. If I've gotten your mouth watering for Cooking with Winter Produce, I'd love to have you zoom in and join me in the kitchen on Wednesday mornings. Thanks for your consideration. And thanks to the great Ollie Tech crew for doing everything they can to manage my classes so successfully. We have 2 cameras, an overhead camera over the stove, and then a head-on camera, so you can see me and the cutting board. And it's a lot of fun. I hope you'll join us. Thanks.
Linda, thank you very much. It's an amazing display, as well as a mouth-watering experience.